I wouldn't sit on it. He won't be able to pull it off, will he?
No, I'll stand up when he comes to do that.
You just want a little 5 for your knees, your old knees.
Fuck off.
What's happening here? He's sat down, that's fine. I don't mind him sitting down. It's when he's up I worry. Welcome back to Motor Addicts. As you know, back in September, we got this free track car from one of Owen's people. And since then, we've done a bit of time modifying it, getting it track ready, and we're really excited to show you what we've done. So without further ado, Owen, if you would please, Stu, up Pumba. There we go.
Find, mate, this, check it out. Ready?
Go on.
I'm Debbie.
Wow, nothing's happened. So basically, Christmas happened and we did nothing. We've been done some other stuff in between. You did stuff.
Yeah, I ate.
Good. Stu has eaten enough for 3 of us. But yeah, unfortunately, there was a bit of an incident when we stored the car. Stu didn't put the roof on properly.
No, I did put the roof on.
Sorry?
I did put the roof on.
You put the roof on properly.
And then you drove it out.
Then
so
why then why is it leaked? Why would I pull the clips?
You drove it out. Isn't when you lock your car, yeah, that's locked. Yeah. You didn't check it.
Well, I presume you'd done it fine. So when I drove it to park it...
No.
So you're saying I was...
Regardless, I think really what the focus is...
Should we show you the interior and then you can see what we're looking at? We'll show you some cutaways now.
Let's just, I won't shine the light into the camera. Do you know what, I'll give you a bit of information here, guys. Do you know why the steering wheel has done that more than anywhere else on the car? Just have a look at like the door panels.
It's where fingers have been.
Bacteria.
Oh, no!
That's what it is.
We don't have a steering wheel, it's much of a petri dish. Right. It's like GCSE science.
The whole science Mazda.
Look,
yeah.
watch this, watch.
No. You're a knob.
Start stripping this thing as well.
Oh no. We need a plan.
Duct tape and rope.
Gaffer tape, yeah.
Interesting previous owner. Won't need that. This. I can't get that undone. Oh, Jesus. Hello. Yeah, boy. Talk amongst yourselves.
So, anyway, Nick, how you getting on there?
He's been at that for about...
Everyone wants this tyre.
How much did this car cost? Let me just check.
Nothing.
Right, no.
What p?
20 pence?
20p.
Come on.
If anyone wants this tyre, message us online and we'll give you it.
You can literally just come and get it.
It's a Toyo, isn't it?
It's the temporary spare.
Toyo.
Toyo, yeah.
Toyo. It's been used, but we'll give it you for free. Message us online. If you want that, I'll throw that in as well. Spores!
And this guy here. Yeah, that'll do. And this dude over here. That thing though.
Lightness. What is it you called it the other week? Free power.
Free power. And remember, rust is lighter than carbon fibre. Rust is lighter than carbon fibre. So
we might need that bit.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, just lay that down there across the 2 terminals. Yeah.
Oh, set a fire to it.
Yeah.
Right.
No.
What?
No. Well, there's screws and there's all sorts
No, it's fine.
No, stop. Wait. I didn't know if we'd need this earlier. I was going to use it because it's pretty brutal. Just be careful with it.
Sarah Connor, yeah?
Bear in mind, we've got these here.
Well, let's just start here.
No, what?
That's the handle now to lift it.
Great success. Cheers, ashtray.
Should I just link?
This is...
Just linking this. Oh, I made that worse. That's what's happened there. I've made it worse. Do we need this sun visor for a passenger?
No. Oh.
I'm stronger than
That was like,
I look.
Look at spores in the light. Look at oh, goodness me.
I thought it was a football then, but it's something else.
More money?
No. Oh yeah.
Oh, that might have been the 5p I threw in.
That's not good again, is it? So against this car,
What do we have? What's that? Hang on. I think.
£1.67.
No, I thought there was some
There was
more.
5p earlier as well. We've probably got about £2. I don't think you can use that anymore though. That's definitely old money.
And that's definitely not in focus either.
Am I helping? Things falling off the end.
He doesn't do this very often by the looks of things.
There you go.
Yes, what do you want? What
Take
can I
that
do?
out.
What printers? Yeah. Right.
Oh look, there's like slug trails. Something is living in this track car and it's causing
What is that?
stuff to leave. Don't get on that.
What is it?
That won't pick up a thing. Right. Oh, did I tell you? Did I tell you? Yes, mate.
So how much?
We're getting a KFC tonight. I'm telling you now.
How much? What's our total so far?
Total so far, but it's about $3.50. All right, and that will get us a KFC for £3.
Can I just get a close up on this with the torch? This is the type of stuff we're dealing with, right?
Unfortunately, don't let cars get like this. This car has done nothing wrong, and we want to track it, and this is how we treat it. It's bang out of order.
But
Stu's got a little collection box for us and has bought some toys.
oh,
No. As ever, like most people, when you buy a track car, you have to run these things on a budget.
Yep.
Okay? Yep. So we've trawled eBay and we bought some lovely little bolt-on budget bargain buys. Oh, there's some bees for you.
Right, so I'm going to show you what we bought for a budget. First of all, we have take your time, son. £14 wheel arches to hide the rust, basically. Next. A £7.69 air filter. It's actually red, it's not blue. It actually looks more like that. Worth a go. Don't think about it. Fuck. Set of Momo wheels, 30 quid. Would you add them and Evie? All right, let's do it.
I want to get putting the arches on. I really want to do that. Pick that up.
Pick that up.
Okay. Right, so.
Yeah, but you got to bend them to shape. So
Yeah, I'll bend you to shape. Don't you worry about that. Right. Okay. Right. We'll go technical. Yeah. Right. So. Okay. And just send it.
Send it.
Yeah. What? No. Right. Jesus Christ. Murder it. And then
Okay.
look, it looks ridiculous. It looks terrible. What have we done?
Well, if we put spaces on it, it'll look alright, wouldn't it?
I think that's asking a lot. This is well. The thing is, this isn't actually any worse. Do you want to get any closer? Like, this is actually
POV.
This is actually no worse than how drifters put cars together, because we all know
Need this.
that all they do is cable ties and screws and plastic and that sort of stuff.
An off-roader.
Is that a front one?
Or a rear one? Oh, they're all the same, aren't they?
Oh, are they though? Are they? No one knows.
Uh-oh. Has Stewie messed up? He knows. He's fitted a few arches to some shit cars before.
There we go. They're the same. Tell me they're the same, right?
No.
What?
Definitely a rear one.
What's even better is.
You won't feel that one.
Right. There's a sizable difference, I'm telling you. Might look the same, but it don't taste the same. What's the fashion with girls these days, right? There's a stark difference in my wheel arches. A distinct and noticeable difference. Check it out. Right, so that's what it should look like. Oh no! Screwed it right up.
Look at the state of that. Honestly. When are we entering the Dakar?
Look at it from here.
Honestly, look at that.
You could hide in there.
As Rich said, we found that problem, the car's the wrong way round.
And so's the people doing it.
No, that's more me than Owen.
Got the right hump and all.
Oh, I have got the right one.
Yeah?
You just constantly talk. buy some
Screw that, yeah?
spacers.
Well, yeah, I don't know if that's going to help. That's going to be like flogging a dead horse, isn't it? I extra love how the original wheel arch is still visible past the plastic one.
It's so agile. It's like a lemur. Dead one. Watch him pop up. He's like a surfer.
Like a zombie.
So we've just finished. It's getting late in the evening, so we're going to leave some of the bits we had planned for this evening to another day. It was great fun though, wasn't it, Stu?
It was good fun.
It was good fun. We've had some fun tonight. We've managed to put these amazing wheel arches on, which have transformed the look of the vehicle.
No, it just
almost
bloody awful.
nothing at all. But we're going to put some.
Drag.
I know. The wind resistance is actually beneficial now. So we're going to probably put some wheel spacers on or something, space it out a little bit. We've managed to take the entire interior out. I don't know how much of that's in shot, but there's a massive pile of plastic and carpet there that we've taken out. I don't know how much, it'd be nice to weigh it actually, to find out actually how much we've taken out. And Stuart fitted an air filter. He took all the air box off. Yes, got the air filter on. I think it almost makes some difference. We're going to drive it to find out. Anyway, in total, we've had a grand total of like £3 in the car, so thank you to the person who donated the car to us, as Nick said earlier. Yeah, we're going to go to McDonald's. If you want to follow the build, like the page, the channel, like share it and subscribe it, and we want to try and broadcast this to as many people as possible. I think it's going to be really fun. When we finally get it on track and we get it to how it's going to be, it's just a bit of fun, but we're doing it on a budget.
It will blow up or fall apart.
In which case, yeah, in which case it's free, almost. Till next time, signing out. It's all fucking covered in.
It's all covered in schmutz.
Schmutz.